Hey, what up guys? Welcome to the Man Cave. Today I received the package. Let's open it together. So here we are. Here we go. This came all the way from the UK. The UK, so what is it, mate? Mate, could you please tell me what it is? Yeah, alright then. This is from Supreme, so let's just open it. I didn't buy like a big amount. As you can see, it doesn't fit my head, but still, it's not that much. But I just wanted to open it with you guys and see what the quality of this is. And so for those thinking like, oh, Supreme is just good quality. I know, but this is not just Supreme. Yeah. Oh yeah, the bag. Most important part. No, it's not. So this is from week 1, 2019. So summer season 2019. This is the first drop this year. I do have the white socks of Supreme with Hanes. I didn't have the black ones, so I really needed those. So I bought those. Just 4 pairs of Cushion Crew socks. It's the Hanes with Supreme. Just decent socks, but overall, if you know Hanes like I do, not everything is good quality, because I go to a lot of concerts and then you can buy a t-shirt, and if it's Hanes or Fruit of the Loom, you just want to see what the quality is like. And Hanes has these different type of qualities, like with the thick cotton or the thin cotton. So not everything is the same quality, but I mean, you get what you're paying for. And some of them are really good, and it's still pretty cheap. So I was wondering what the Hanes with Supreme t-shirts are like. So that's why I bought it, and I just think it's dope. But first, let's see what extras we got. Oh, I didn't know I got this. Oh, I got the grill. Ooh, this is dope. I want, not like the grill, it's the sticker grill. And Supreme sticker, and I have no idea what this is. It's a barcode. It's a barcode. Oh, this is for the, yeah, I know what this is for. So you might have seen like the skateboard deck with all of the fruits and everything on it. These are those stickers. So here you go, the stickers. I love that grill sticker though. This one is pretty decent, and the Supreme sticker obviously pretty cool. So then we got, this is I think the shower cap. Yeah, it is. All right, I think we'll have to switch it up. I'll be honest, I won't be able to use this because I have to wash my hair every day. Here we go. Oh, this smells awful. Well, hey, it's a shower cap. I wish I could wear this while swimming, because sometimes you need like a swimming cap or something like that. And I wish I could use this, but I don't think you can. It's pretty tight. You know when something is really tight on your forehead and you just feel like this? Like a cat, and you stroke his head, like, and then like, that's what I feel like a cat that's wearing a collar for his first time. Maybe this is better. Sorta is. Do you have to put this all the way over your ears though? This just feels stupid, saying from a guy wearing a shower cap that's not in the shower and never uses a shower cap. But hey, it's Supreme though, so hey, now it's dope. And here we go. This is what I really wanted. The Hanes Supreme Leopard t-shirts. Let's see what quality this is. This is lay flat color, comfort, soft t-shirts, now softer, tagless t-shirt, flawless design. For a perfect fit every time. It rhymes. I do not think they did that on purpose. Lay flat color, comfort guarantee, money back. Money back? Supreme money back? I don't know. I'd rather resell than send it back. But I'm not gonna resell, I don't think. But these are the comfort soft t-shirts. Usually these t-shirts are actually for underneath a different type of clothing. I wouldn't mind wearing this like straight up. Is there a way to not rip this? I don't give a shit. Wait, I thought I got 2 t-shirts with, oh yeah, I did. Whew! You startled me there, Supreme. This is really thin, but it feels good. So I don't know if you'll be able to see, but it's leopard, but some parts are a bit darker, so like the stripes like a real leopard has from top to bottom. I think this is a dope t-shirt though. I like this. I do. You know what, I'm just gonna wear this to see what it looks like. Socks look like, this is what the socks look like. It's just black with Supreme on it. And I actually need a black sock, so this is perfect. And now I can flex as well. Flexing in every direction. All right, let's try this bad boy out. All right, so here we go. I was just wondering, is it cool if we do this? I don't think it is. Nah, this doesn't feel right. This does. I like my t-shirt normal. Quality is, it's decent. It's not thick. I'm still wearing this thing on my, and now I don't have a hat either, so now it's all fuzzy. But hey, that's what you get. No, I like this though. I think my watch matches as well. I thought I had a wristband. I don't know where that went. That's okay. Yeah, it's decent. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not expensive, and you get 2 pairs of t-shirts anyway. So yeah, this is good. I like it. All right, so there you have it, guys. This is my Supreme purchase for this. Well, not this year. For this month, I guess. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything else this month, unless the new Supreme with Nike collab drops. I don't know yet. Yeah, I think this is a cool t-shirt. I really like it though. I think it's still for sale actually. I don't think this is sold out, and they usually have a lot of these of the collab with Hanes. If you like Supreme, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.